Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am back with entry number 18. I am so blessed, y'all, and I know I keep saying it, but I really do feel that way from the bottom of my heart. This entry comes from Miss Diane with Crafting with Fury. As she sent in her entry, she also sent in her thank you with her ATC challenge. And so I want to share that first. And it's so sweet. It's kind of funny to me, but I'm going to share that real quick. And this is her card that she had sent. And we had several of us. I mean, she had a huge turnout, and I could not be so happy for her. I told her I may have to borrow that idea. But she says, "Hi, Carmen. Thank you so much, sweet friend, for joining my Halloween Fall ATC Challenge. The ATCs you created were just too stinking cute. I loved them. Girl, it was so hard to pick. Keep one. I appreciate you so much, doll. Happy birthday and anniversary, doll. God bless, Diane." And I love every time somebody puts the date. And then this is her business card. So if you need to get in touch with her, take a screenshot. But thank you so much. And what she had done is asked for 2 ATC cards. You mail 2 in. She keeps one and picks from whichever one she wants, and then she sends the other one back. Well, there was so many that was so gorgeous, and she had a lot that I loved. But there was one that I was screaming, "No, no, no." And I told her that too on the comments. I said, "No, no, no, don't pick the blue one. Don't pick the blue one. Send it to me." Well, she picked the blue one. And that's fine because I love the other one too. And it turns out she sent me the other one. So I'm like, oh, yay. Because it is so cute. And so it says, "Happy Halloween." And this is the ATC card. And it's got her information on it. I'm gonna see if I can cover that up. And then she sent even some extra goodies with some cutouts and a little back clip and just all kinds of fun stuff. And so I love it. And then she's even got it on this nice, like, wood chip board. And it's just so cute. And so I got, let me read some of the back. I got Miss Paulette Tate from Scrappy Tate. And I believe I'm already subscribed to you, but if not, I'll double check. Her favorite theme is clean and simple. Her favorite colors are black, orange, and olive green. So I love that. And I love getting to know people better. Sometimes we subscribe to each other, and some of us connect and some of us just don't sometimes. And so I love this. Maybe we can connect and get closer. So thank you, Diane, for that. And thank you so much, Miss Paulette. I appreciate it so much. Now, let's get to her entry. Miss Diane, my gosh, she's so stinking cute, and y'all know it. And everything that everybody loves, and everybody makes comments, so I've got to make a comment too. And that's how she goes, "Hey, girl," or "Hey, girly." But y'all all make a comment about my accent too. So, hey, she's just got a sweeter voice. But anyway, this is her entry, and she contacted me and asked me, she said, "Please be honest." She said, "I'm still in the Halloween spirit. Can I send you something Halloween?" And she said, "But if not, that's fine." I was like, no, this is about y'all creating what you want to create. And that's what I want everybody to know. I don't care if it was Christmas. If you wanted to create something Halloween, that's up to you. I may not be able to use it now, but it's going to be in my Halloween stash ready to go for next year. So that's not an issue. If you want to do Easter now, do Easter. It's all up to you. Neutrals are fine too. But we're going to take a quick peek and see. Oh, she sent some goodies. Oh, and I'm pretty sure, I think she did a VR. Y'all know I don't look and peek. But look, a stuffed envelope. Love it, love it, love it. And y'all, I love Halloween. Halloween and Christmas You know, they're neck and neck for me. Two totally different reasons, but I love them both. I love Easter as well. I just love holidays. My family is, me and my daughter anyway, we're huge Halloween freaks. I mean, not Halloween, but all holiday. But oh my goodness, look at all that. She's got the cat and it says October 31st. She's got a little skull and she put one of the little nail bows on its head. I hope y'all are getting that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. She sent me some metallic purple bows. Now, I have a bow die like this, except for mine's bigger. Mine's not small like this. And I don't really have metallic papers. Y'all need to tell me where y'all get them. Oh my gosh, look at those flowers. Like I said, I love purple at Halloween, y'all. Those are so cute. Thank you, sweetheart. And looking, I'm just so in love. It's so cute with the little bow. I never thought about that. And she's got him on there like that. Creep It Real. And it looks like she's got some goodies in here. No, that's her ATC. We got to open that up. Oh, let me see if I can do this without destroying her bag topper, because y'all know I love the bag toppers. Oh, and she put it in a Ziploc bag. So give me just a second, y'all. I'm just trying to say what I can. Y'all know me. There we go. All right. Creep It Real. I'll make a little, there, nameplate. Okay. Let's see. Let's look at some of these other goodies. She sent me some confetti, which we can never get. I think I gave a lot of my confetti away to some friends. I still have some. She sent me a black and white straw and an orange and black straw. I love that. Now that oh, look at that. Y'all, look at those itty bitty babies. How cute. These little bitty ones, y'all. I don't know how y'all do it. Oh, they are so tedious to me. Those are so cute. Thank you. And then she even decked out the bags. She did better than me. I just threw the bags in the gift mail. Oh, but she decorated it and everything with the toppers. How cute is that? And this is Happy Halloween. I love that. And this one's got the bats, the ghost, and the tombstones. Love it. Thank you. Make sure I'm not missing nothing. Look at that envelope. I love it. I don't know what pad you've got, but I love that paper. Like I said, I just didn't have any luck with finding any Halloween paper pads this year. And oh my goodness. Where did you get these skulls? I want them. I need them in my life so much. And the skull paper. Oh my, the rosettes. Oh geez. Skull and crossbones. A small grinning skull. Oh, I'm in love, love, love. Y'all know I love my skulls. Even the candy skulls. Or is it called the candy skulls? The Day of the Dead. You know what I'm talking about. Love them. Oh my gosh. Girl. You spoil me. Y'all all spoil me so much. Okay, let's take a look at her ATC. And she's got, oh my gosh, she's just got it all decked up. And look, she's got it in this cute little Ziploc bag. And she's bagged it with the gorgeous paper. Oh, how stinking cute is that? She's got this little iridescent moon with the witch flying over it. And she's got the witch broom. I love that. And then she's got like a spell book or a book with the spider. And it's got the little bling eyes. And the little spider web says Happy Halloween. And the little baby spider. And she's blinged that up with itty bitty baby blings. And it's got the little tag and little cat picking out. Of course, you got to have your little cat. And then she's got a jewel right there. And she's got all these black and this big old spider web in the back and the orange glitter paper. And she's inked the edge up. And oh my goodness, girl. And look at the back. Y'all are so clever. like I said, and look at that big old jewel right there. Oh my goodness, y'all are so clever. I know most of y'all know her, so let me put that down and read a little bit about this. This is Crafting with Fury on YouTube. Y'all know the Sweet Diane. Her birthday is July 19th. Happy late birthday, or early, because you're right in the middle, so it could go either way. Her favorite color, purple. And her favorite style is vintage. Her favorite store is Hobby Lobby. And her $5 crafty item, when I can find it, is that Nuvo Deluxe and adhesive Nuvo Deluxe adhesive glue. And of course, y'all know her name is Miss Diane. So thank you, girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my sweet, sweet Diane. Oh, I love you. I love your channel, and I just adore you so much. I know everybody does. And I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope you had a great Halloween. And look at all this glorious. It doesn't end here. It didn't end yesterday. I'm still getting it. So yay. Happy Halloween, everyone. And I hope you had a great one. And I wish you the best always.